Hello, this is Atif Mahmood. In this chapter 4, I am going to demonstrate activity 4.1. For this installation particular, we are going to install a DHCP server role using server 2008. Go ahead, log into your server, and first we want to make sure what is the IP address, ipconfig cmd, and this is the static IP address for the server 192.168.101 and subnet mask, and this is the default gateway. So go ahead, click on server manager roles and add roles. Once you click on that, you would see that screen come up. You must have the administrator account, has strong password, and skip this page. You might want to read that, is very informative. Go ahead next, and DHCP role, we have DNS server and Active Directory already installed on this one. DHCP server role, go ahead, click next. You can read that information, that possibly very helpful. Go ahead, click next, and this is the IP address for IPv6, which is that server I provided static IP address for server. Go ahead, click next. This is the actually domain parent that it is going to install, and this is the preferred DNS server IPv4.6. You can also change it and provide a different DNS server, which in my case I want 92.168.100.1. Go ahead, click next. And when required for application on the network, you might want to keep that one. Click next and add scope. Give the IP address name. .192.168.111 from 8 it is starting, and you can also changes if there is 8 hours to lease, or when you take a computer off from the domain or from the DHCP server, how long is it? Activate the scope. If you uncheck it, you will have to activate it manually. Provide the 192.168. Remember the information I showed you, what I had set here. So go ahead, 100.7. So go ahead, click OK, and there is a scope. If you need to add another scope, you can also add it, but I will just go ahead and continue with this one. Enable DHCP mode for this server. If this is depending on or disable, I would go ahead and select disable. Click next, and this is going to ask my credential, the one I am logged into, that one. I can also provide a different one here, W2K. Which might be wrong. See, let me try another one. Use this one. We can select the top one. Go ahead, click next, and click install. Configuring DHCP tile. It will take few minutes to complete the role. Either the scope's already, so actually this computer already had a scope which I uninstalled it and reinstalled it back. So this actually I will have to restart my computer to clean that. Anyways, this completes the demonstration of the DNS role is installed. All it just needs is a reboot, because that scope already exists. I uninstalled it and installed it back, so I can show you guys how to do that. I hope that would work, and this completes the activity demonstration for chapter 4 for 4.1.